Today we are going to practice building and drawing addition word problems. That means we're going to take a short math story and we're going to solve the problem by building it and drawing it. I want to show you how you can solve the problem both ways today. So you're going to need your whiteboard, your marker, and your eraser. If you don't have those, a piece of paper and a pencil or crayons or marker would work as well. You're also going to need your 10 frame and cubes so that we can build them. So right now, go ahead and pause the video. You're going to go get your supplies, and then when you are ready, push play again. Okay, let's get started with our first problem. The first story is going to sound like this. 4 ducks are swimming. 2 ducks join them. How many ducks are swimming now? So if you start with your cubes, we can build it on a 10 frame, and it would go like this. Remember, it was 4 ducks are swimming, 2 ducks join them. So I'm going to start with my 4 ducks are swimming. 1, 2, 3, 4 ducks are swimming, 2 ducks join them. 1, 2. You could also do these ones in red, so you see that it's a different color. I only have my blue cubes right here, so we can do them. I could also move it down here so I could show 4 ducks are swimming and 2 ducks join them. And then I would think, oh, but if I move this one over here, that would make a full 5 and one more would be 6. So our answer to our problem we just built is 6. Let's see what it would look like if we were going to draw and solve that problem. So 4 ducks are swimming. Now, since we're not doing art class right now, I'm going to make quick pictures. I'm not going to spend a lot of time drawing great, perfect ducks. I'm going to make really quick ducks. So 4 of them are swimming. So here's one. Just going to make a little head like that. You could even do a circle. That could be a duck. And that could be a duck. Because we just want to make them quick so we can solve our problem. 4 ducks are swimming. How many join them? 1, 2. So here's our 4. Here's our 2. And we drew the picture to show what was happening. Now we can solve it. How many ducks are swimming now? So if this is all the water, they're all in the water. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I could count it even faster and say 4, 5, 6. 6 is our answer. That's how we're going to practice these addition word problems today. Let's try another one with ducks. This time it's going to be a put together kind of story. This last one we had some and then some more came along. This one's we're going to have ducks in different places. So our story would sound like this. 2 ducks are swimming in the water and 1 duck is on the grass. How many ducks are all together? Again, 2 ducks are swimming in the water and 1 duck is on the grass. How many ducks are swimming all together? Can you build that for me on your 10 frame, please? You might need to say it out loud to yourself again to remember what's happening in our story. 2 ducks are swimming in the water and 1 duck is on the grass. How many ducks are all together? 3. So let's draw it now. 2 ducks are in the water, so I'm going to make, it's going to be my water. There's 2 ducks in the water, and here's my duck sitting on the grass. 1, 2, and 3 all together. So 3. There are 3 ducks all together. All right, let's try another one. Erase your board. Get your 10 frame ready. We're going to build it first. Okay, I'm going to say this story problem twice, and I want you to build it first. 5 bugs are on the leaf. 3 more bugs flew to the leaf. How many bugs are on the leaf now? Again, 5 bugs are on the leaf. 3 more bugs flew to the leaf. How many bugs are on the leaf now? Make sure you are building it first. So this can be your leaf. How many bugs were there first? There were 5, so I have to fill up that whole top row. 5 bugs were on the leaf. How many more flew to the leaf? Do you remember what I said? 3. So to build it, it would look like this. 5 bugs are on the leaf, and then 3 more came along. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 altogether. Let's draw it. I'm going to make a real big leaf. 5 bugs are on the leaf. I'm just going to make little bugs. 3, 4, 5. 5 bugs are on the leaf. How many more bugs flew to the leaf? 1, 2, 3. And then we would count them all together to find out how many bugs are on the leaf now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like we got on our 10 frame, 8. Or I could think about it and say 5, 6, 7, 8, and keep counting. And our answer is 8. This was an add to problem. We started with 5, and then some more came along to that leaf. Let's try a put together problem now. I'm going to read it to you first. I will read it twice, and I want you to build it on your 10 frame. I saw 3 bugs on a leaf. Then I saw 6 bugs on a flower. How many bugs did I see? Again, I saw 3 bugs on a leaf. Then I saw 6 bugs on a flower. How many bugs did I see? Make sure you are building and showing our numbers so you can solve for the answer. All right, here I go. I have 3 bugs on a leaf. 1, 2, 3 bugs on a leaf. And then some more came, or then I saw some on the flower. I saw 6 on the flower, so I'm going to keep adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 3 were on the leaf and the rest were on the flower. Do you see how much that filled up that 10 frame? It's almost filled up. That means it is 9. Let's draw a picture to represent this problem. All right, so there were some bugs on a leaf and some bugs on a flower. How many were on the leaf? 3 bugs on the leaf, and how many were on the flower? 6. So I can count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or I could do it even in a faster way. I can start with my 6, and I can say 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 more. So 9 bugs is how many I saw. Okay, if I'm ever going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up to the drawing or catch up to the building. We have 2 more sets to go, or 1 more set to go, 2 more problems to go. All right, next we're going to go back to add to. That means I'm going to give you some, and then we're going to have some more come along too. All right. So this one is, Pam has 6 green apples and 4 red apples. How many apples does she have in all? Again, Pam has 6 green apples, and 4 red apples. How many apples does she have in all? Make sure you're building it now. So she had 6 green and 4 red. So I'm going to put them on my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 4 red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 and 4 make 10. Let's draw out this problem. Pam has 6 green apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To make them apples, I'm just going to put quick stems on them. Here are the green ones. It doesn't matter that I have a black marker. I don't need to go searching for a green marker. I'm just going to use black, but I can pretend in my head that these are the green apples. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of a space here to show her other apples that are red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put quick little stems on. That's an easy thing to make them look like apples. Pam has 6 green apples and 4 red apples. How many apples does she have in all? I'm going to think of my 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She has 10 apples in all. Okay, we have one more problem to do. Let's see if we can just draw this problem. If you want to build it, you can, but you will need to pause the video. I'm going to go right into drawing. I have 5 apples. My friend has 4 apples. How many apples do we have in all? Again, I have 5 apples. My friend has 4 apples. How many apples do we have in all? What would it look like to draw that story? So I'm going to put my apples over here and my friend's apples over there. How many do I have? I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. I have 5, and how many does my friend have? 4. And how much is that altogether? Now when I drew it like this, I noticed right away my eyes said, wow, those almost look the same. This side is just missing this middle one. If they were both the same, it would be 5 and 5. But they're not quite the same. It's 5 and 4. 5 and 5 is a 10. But we're not at 10. We're 1 short of 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 apples. Together, my friend and I have 9 apples. You can create your own story problems. You can think of other word problems to do. You can use animals, you can use food, you can use markers, you can count anything you see. Think of a story problem to make up and ask somebody at your house to solve it. Or have them come up with a problem and you can solve it.